In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in HBO Max account on PC. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in hbomax.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of HBO Max. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on this option sign in that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of HBO Max. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. All you have to do is provide your email address. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your account over here. After you do that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter the password of your account and click on the sign in or login option that you'll be able to see in another interface. After you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in HBO Max account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.